Life was moving fast. Traffic, meetings, phone notifications, ping, ping, ping. And right in the middle of it all was me, trying to hold it all together. But something wasn't right. Alarm blaring, 6:45 a.m. Another day, but no energy to face it. Room messy, head heavy. Sunlight tried to peek in, but inside, darkness. I looked in the mirror. My eyes were open, but my soul felt closed. Missed Salah again. The Quran on the shelf untouched. Half-eaten food, half-lived days. And that ache in the chest, that was burnout. That night, I sat alone in the quiet. No noise, no rush. My phone was silent for once. And my heart finally started to speak. I reached for the Quran. It had been too long. The pages felt like light. I read one verse, just one, and it felt like it was written for me. I fell into sujood, and for the first time in months, I cried. Not from stress, but from peace. The next morning was different. I woke up before sunrise. No phone, no emails, just me and my Allah. Wudu felt like washing away the old me. And when I prayed Fajr, it wasn't just prayer, it was purpose. I made tea, sat by the window, and began writing. Not just tasks, but intentions. Salah, breaks, reflection. My new planner wasn't about being busy. It was about being balanced. I still had work, still had deadlines, but now there was barakah. Emails came after dua. Tasks flowed better. Meetings didn't drain me. I wasn't hustling for success. I was working with tawakkul. My to-do list was checked. My soul wasn't wrecked. And the best part? A message popped up. New client found you through a friend. No ads, no stress, just pure barakah. As the sun set that day, I smiled because I was finally living, not just surviving.
I began to notice things again. The sound of the wind, the peace in the tree's shadow, the simplicity of silence. I remembered the Prophet Muhammad. His life wasn't loud, it was light. He cleaned his own home. He smiled often. He prayed with presence, and he rested with purpose. Islam taught me balance, vision, presence, tawakkul. Now I walk slowly, I breathe deeply. I live with intention, not just attention. This wasn't about becoming perfect. It was about coming back. Back to prayer, back to peace, back to purpose. This is what life looks like when it's promoted.